Hello my paper crafters, welcome to this male birthday edition of Paper and Joy. And the card we're making today is, well, it can be male, but you know, I try to sort of spread things out, so more feminine type of cards and some male type of cards. So today's the male type of card that we're going to make. So we're going to do a sort of a fun polka dot card, and I have selected some colours for you. So you know, and if there's ladies in your life that you think might like the colours that I've selected rather than a male in your life, then go and give them this one instead. So hopefully you like this design. It's a bit of fun. All right, let's go and see what's in your packs and get crafting. Okay, so in your packs you will get a card base which has a happy birthday printed on there, an envelope, a template sheet for cutting out our circles, and then I've selected two colours for you, and hopefully you like those. So for me, I've chosen a blue and a grey. As I said sort of in the intro, whilst this month is supposed to be male sort of birthday, I tried to do sort of some more male themed cards and some more female themed cards, but you know, you can give the card to anybody really, but yeah, I just try to sort of balance things out throughout the year. Okay, so hopefully you like the colours that I've chosen for you. You will also need a scrap piece of paper for gluing, a pencil, a grey lead pencil, a glue stick, and a pair of scissors. All right, let's get crafting. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is cut out our circle templates. So grab your template sheet and cut out each of these. Now because this is just a template, it doesn't matter so much whether you're cutting inside or outside the black line, and sometimes it's easier if it's a template that you actually cut out outside the black line. So if we're doing something nice on a card, I will often say cut inside the line, but this template's your choice. I'm going to cut outside. All right, so cut all 4 circles out and I will see you when you're done. Okay, so there is the 4 template circles. So next go and grab your polka dot paper and we're going to cut out some circles. Okay, so I've got my paper and I've just turned them over so you can see the colours, because as you saw in the start, there's 2 different types of colours on the card, and here I've just got sort of a mock-up one using orange and blue. So decide, I guess, which of your which of your paper you would like to be the blue ones and which you want sort of to be the feature one. So I've sort of given you one that I think might be the feature, but then mine's I think going to be opposite. I'm going to do blue as my base colour and the grey is going to be my feature. So yeah, decide on how you would like your circles to be laid out, and then we'll cut out. So we need 1 of the 7 centimetre in blue, 3 of the 6 centimetre in blue, 2 of the 5 in blue, and 2 of the 5 in your feature colour. So in this case it's orange, and then 1 of the 3 centimetre also in blue. So this is going to be our little guide. All right, pop that away. I'm going to start cutting my blue. And the first one, so it's easier if you use the back page the back of the sheet, to do your tracing. I'm going to start with the 7 centimetre circle, and we need 1 of those in our base colour. So I might say base colour and highlight colour to give you an idea when you're deciding how you'd like to do yours. Okay, so the next size is the 6 centimetre circle, and we need 3 of those in the base colour. If you have a sort of a soft lead pencil, like a 2B or 4B, that might show up a bit easier than this HB version. Okay, so we need one more 6. And then our next circle is the 5 centimetre, and we need 2 of those in the base colour. See if you can, like, I'm squishing mine up sort of to maximise any leftover paper. You can use that for whatever other craft project you'd like. Okay, so 2 of these 5s. And then our last one is the little 3 centimetre one. And we just need 1 of those in the base colour. All right, there we go. Okay, and grab your scissors. I'm going to start cutting them out. Now, some of these will actually be face up with this blue, and some of them will be face up with the polka dot. So try to cut maybe inside the grey, or if you've got some leftover grey lead marks, then just rub those out with an eraser, just to make that neat. You will need 1 of the 6s, and 1 of the 5s is going to be showing up on this side. The others are all going to be turned over and be polka dot. All right, so cut out your circles. What I might do is cut out I'm not handling a giant piece of paper. And then sometimes I find it easier just to roughly cut out each shape, and then you've got more control of your scissors when you are cutting, and it's easier to hold. Gives you a neater cut. All right, so cut out your circles, and I will see you when you're done. Okay, so there are my cutout pieces for my base colour. All right, now it's time to do our highlight piece. So go and grab that piece and your templates, your 5 centimetre templates. Okay, so we need two of these 5 centimetre circles. So go ahead and trace those. And then you can cut them out. And I will see you when you're done. Okay, now we have all our circles nice and cut. So it's time to start gluing. So go and grab your card base, your glue, and your gluing scrap paper. Okay, here we go. So we might start with our little 3 centimetre circle in your base colour. Now this is going to have polka dots facing up, so we're going to glue on the solid colour side. Okay, so this piece is going to go up in the corner. So just in from the top and side edge. Now, next to that is going to be one of our highlight pieces, and that's also going to be polka dot up. Now this is going to sit sort of just next to that and a bit off, so we don't need to glue the whole thing, just maybe half, and then we're going to just sit it up a bit. Making sure you do get all the way to the edges. And we'll do all our cutting at the end once everything's dry. Okay, Next, we're going to grab our largest 7cm base colour polka dot. This is going to go in the bottom corner here. So we might just glue all of that so that we don't miss any of the edge there, just to make sure it sticks nicely. Just make sure you go over the edges a second time, just to make sure the stickies gluing nicely. Okay. So a bit off the, there we go, bit off the bottom and sort of a third off the side here, off the edge of the card. Okay, next piece is our smallest solid colour. So that's the 5cm solid colour base piece. It's going to go there. We're going to match that with this polka dot 5cm piece. So we're just going to go like that. Alright, so let's do our solid colour one first. You can glue all of it because pretty much all of it's going to stick on, so just a little bit's going to hang off. Just to make sure you capture it all and that it sticks nicely. Good amount on the edge. Okay, and the same with our 5cm polka dot piece. If you need to refresh your gluing paper, then feel free to do so. Okay, this just sits a little bit down. Just have that solid colour peeking out. Okay. Now if you want to grab your highlight piece, that's your solid colour, we're going to do that there, and that's going to match up with a 6cm, so that's a 5cm one and this 6cm one polka dot, so they're going to go on this side here. So you can just sort of place them down, just to eyeball that. So a little bit, maybe centimetre or so up from the edge, and just a little bit of gap between these two circles for that. All right, but we're going to do this one first. So this one is sort of in between, sort of similar gap between the circles and the words, to give you an idea, if that helps. Hopefully that helps. Okay, and then our polka dot 6cm piece. A little bit away from the circle, about 1 centimetre off the bottom edge. Okay, so we have 2 more circles left, and they're for this corner here. Okay, so the base circle is your solid colour, and then we're going to top that off with the last polka dot piece. So they're sort of just hanging off the edge, so about half a circle there. Just a bit down from the top edge. Okay, so base piece first. Solid base piece, solid colour base piece. little bit down from the top edge and sort of about half a circle. And then our polka dot piece, just a little bit of that showing. So you can glue probably about half of that. There we go. Okay, now grab your scissors because we're going to snip all these bits. A bit hard to get a card like this into an envelope, so we're going to trim it all up. Okay, we're going to start with the ones we did first rather than these, just to give them a minute or so to dry. Okay, so turning it over. I like to open up the cards. I've just got one edge that I'm working along, and then gently and carefully cut your edges. I might cut the bottom just to give that a bit more time to dry. This 3-layer piece is quite thick, but not too bad to cut. Okay, now we're going to go down this edge. One more. Okay, what do you think? It's a bit funky. Well, hopefully you like it, and hopefully you had fun making that. So I will see you next time.